Pockets essays.
Oh, okay. They're just several boxes.
A box in a box. What? Come all the way from Russia. You're so nice opening this box for me, Travis. As soon as I walk in the box.
Opening the box for you.
For me,
you
thank
pay
you.
for it yet?
Ain't paid for it yet.
It's gonna be yours for one low price of $269.
Oh, look at that surround. Oh, shoot. Look like I got a bigger magnet. They changed the logo on it, too.
Yeah. They changed the name.
Yeah.
1,700 watts.
So it still costs
1,700 watts.
700 watts. RMS?
Huh?
RMS?
1,700 RMS. Three-inch coil.
Yep. Laminated. That's the fizz. Oh, I'm gonna play music. Freaking good, too. I'm gonna be very musical. It's a wild motor. Oh my god. Looks sexy as hell.
Looks like it's a round wire coil,
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Round wire.
which is good for
It's
paneling.
it copper, isn't it? But copper is very efficient, though.
No, I think it's a copper aluminum mix.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a 500 degree coil that is black ceramic
Yeah.
coil. But yeah, it's round wire. Looks like. And just to outperform it.
The Sundown and Fortes for Casino.
Yeah.
Same price, same category. It looks like it outperformed the SA, to be honest with you.
It's 1,700 watts.
Machete is like all lower down, right?
That's a Machete Sport. It's like $160 woofer.
Well, that's gonna sell real good. Like entry level. Oh, stickers.
2 levels above the entry level.
Two years old. Like the surround. Gracious.
This is a 750 watts, so this is more in the category of an SA. It's just cheaper.
Yeah. For the E series.
This is bigger than the E series. More power handling than the E series.
Yeah.
The E series. Look at the E series over there, and then look at this. You know.
Right. Oh, I see it right there. Let me get a close shot of that. This is the E series right here. It is smaller, much smaller. Bit boys.
Oh shoot, we got to change the calendar. We're still in November over here. Oh, no.
These are so freaking big.
I guess we'll settle for December because we're out.
Depth ounce. 18s. This is a bit like Alphard audio.
Oh my god.
That is a real.
This is going on that wall over there. Looks like.
What, talking about that one?
This the size of a wall? Holy
Goodness gracious. You get crippled over there.
Well, yeah.
Oh my god. Man, that's freaking. Where you get that? Man, I bet you ain't caught the damn power line and stole that wire. That's like freaking.
It's $33 a foot.
Where you get that from?
That's what they run in diesel locomotives.
Oh man.